but we ain't billing out. In that big Ferrari, we pillin' out. I told Tay, bring the Bob Dylan out. The room so cold, we just chillin' out. Baby yellin', yellin', yet yellin' out. It's Barbie, bitch, if you still in doubt. And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like Gabby, Stacy.
Hey guys, it's Shay here. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, what's up? My name is Shay. I'm a college student and I pretty much post like college and lifestyle related content. So if you're interested, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And if you're returning, you already know what's up with me, okay? But today's video is gonna be an emergency kit type of video. I just want to show you guys what I have in my emergency kit. Even though I am in college, like I still carry my girly products that I need in my bag because as a girl, it's a must that you have an emergency kit. So if you clicked on this video, I know you're just probably trying to figure out like, what should I put in my emergency kit? Or you just here for the vibes? So we gon' vibe, okay? But yeah, I'm gonna show y'all like everything that I pretty much keep in my emergency kit because emergencies, they happen no matter what, from top to bottom, and as a girl, I just feel like an emergency kit is a must. Like you have to have these products that I'm about to show y'all in your everyday bag, school book bag, tote, whatever bag you're carrying to school, to class, whatever. Whether you're like in college, you're a high school student, you're in middle school, whatever, this video will definitely be beneficial for you because it'll tell you everything and anything you need in the emergency kit, okay? I did order my kit off Amazon because I'm pretty sure I wasn't gonna find any cute ones in the store. But before I show you guys everything that I have in my emergency kit, I do want to go to Target and pick up a couple products that I'm missing out on. There's a couple things I just need to re-up on and just a couple new things I want to pick up because I figured that maybe I might need those. So we're gonna go to Target really quick, pick them up, and then we're gonna come back and I'm gonna show you guys everything that I have in there. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, make sure you guys go do so. Also, make sure you follow me on my socials because you want to keep up with your girl, okay? And make sure you guys are following my spam because if I'm not on my main, I'm on my spam trolling, like just trolling, okay? So you might want to go and see that side of me a little bit. Oh yeah, if you guys haven't checked out my back to school series, make sure you guys go do so. I created a playlist actually just for y'all, just to kind of have everything in like an order and together, just so you guys won't have to be looking everywhere on my channel for them. I'll leave them down in the description box and also in the eye, so make sure you guys go and check that out. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and let's get into it. Let's go to Target.
Move that dope, baby, move that dope, baby, move that dope. Young nigga move that dope. Young nigga move that dope. Young nigga move that dope, baby, move that dope, baby, move that dope.
So now I'm at Target. I'm in the travel section, so I'm looking at like some small little things that could fit in my little pouch. So I'm thinking like deodorant and stuff.
Jump right on the curb. Bentley smack like a bird. Spin on the first and the third. Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal, I don't know what you heard. Crack up the phone, I swear. Keep me a stick if they heard. Young, I don't wanna, they working my nerves. I'm about to pause and serve. Fucking this bitch like a bird. Smack from the back of a perm. Ice, the bird. Shitting on all you little turds. Can't take that way you turn. In my own lane, we can't merge. So no hands you can learn.
I'm in the dog food aisle because everybody need mama at Target. This is my second time coming to Target and everybody need mama there. Like I try to come like close to when they were closing, but I guess people are still here. Like it's so loud. But I got everything that I needed. I just got a couple things because most things I had at home I just had to re-up on certain things. So that's just that. Yeah, I just got a couple things. I'll show you guys once I get home. One of my subscribers. I don't want nobody know where I'm at. Okay, I'll blur it for you. I got you. But yeah, you just take a boomerang. Look, I seen at Target. But it was nice seeing you. Yes, it was nice seeing you. Thank you. Give you another hug. I'm gonna follow you back. Thank you. No problem, boo.
Oh, sorry.
No, you're good.
Thank you, boo. Thank you. Designer head and flow. Sit to the head and flow. Already fed the flow. Nigga too scared to go.
Oh, nah, go ahead. You straight. And it's got some chores because everybody wanna be dead. Like, baby, why are y'all all dead? Somebody gotta be alive. Hold on, let me see how this is looking. I'm gonna just back up a little bit. Matter of fact, this big ass pillow here. giving? Yes, thumbs up. So I am back from Target and I pretty much packed everything in my emergency kits with an S because it's 2 of them. I did separate them. On this kit I have just like, you know, pad and feminine hygiene stuff. I just have more like extra like beauty care, lip care, and miscellaneous in here. I'm gonna start off by showing you guys what's in this one because it has less things in there. This one is pretty much like damn near packed, and then this one is just not that bad, but this is what they look like on the inside. I think those pouches are so cute. By the way, they are both from Amazon. I'll leave them in my storefront if you guys want to check them out. Let me start off by showing you guys what's in this first one. So this first one just pretty much has pads, of course, you know, we got to keep them on deck. And then I just have these regular tampons. These are not the super ones, but I just have just 2 of them. And I just have a white rag in here because sometimes you need to wash your face, freshen up a little bit. So this is it for my very first little kit or whatever. I'm going to open up the second one to show you guys what's in there. So this one is pretty much jam-packed, y'all, because this got any little need you could think of. Okay, so let's start off. So first I got this Dove Men Care deodorant. It's supposed to last up to 72 hours. Hopefully they ain't hand bullshitting me, okay? I was gonna get the regular Dove, but I have an issue with Dove. Like, I don't know, it doesn't really do too well with me. It just kind of gets itchy sometimes. I don't know if I just have sensitive skin, y'all. So I just got the men's one, and I sweat a lot too, so I just got this one just to be on the safe side, because you gotta have deodorant. Like, deodorant in your emergency kit, it's a must, because sometimes even when you apply some at home before you leave the house, you gotta apply throughout the day again, because sometimes it be just so hot. And if you're from Miami like I am, or you're going to school in Georgia, or whatever the case may be, wherever you're from, it's summertime right now, and baby, the heat be heating. Okay, it be so hot that sometimes you just need to reapply again, so ain't something wrong with that. Then next up we got some olives. I'm not gonna lie, y'all, I be getting headaches like crazy, especially around the times that I'm like stressed out, and around the times this girl be wanting to act up, like, you know Bloody Mary, she be coming with the headaches. Okay, so I got this little small olive. It literally fits any and everywhere, so it's just really perfect. Next up I got some Q-tips. You just really need these, to be honest. Like, I've been needing to clean my ears, my nose, whatever it is. It's just always good to keep you some Q-tips in your bag. And I got some scrunchies because, baby, hair sometimes, like my scrunchie sometimes will pop. Sometimes you just need a scrunchie, just probably put it in a different style, whatever it is, like, because my scrunchies literally always pop. So I get these ones from Target. They hold up pretty well, but sometimes they just happen to pop after a while, like especially after like you've used them like so many times. So I just have, you know, some extra ones. Next up we got some eye drops. These are the clear eye ones. These, I used to use them when I used to get my lashes done a lot, when my eyes used to be super red. But sometimes when I don't get enough sleep, my eyes happen to be red, or sometimes my eyes get irritated from lash glue or lashes or whatever it is. So I like to kind of put these in sometimes whenever it's necessary. My eyes get irritated super fast, and I know I'm not the only one out there, especially when you're in class looking at the screen for so long. Like, baby, my eyes about to give out. So these eye drops help really good. Of course, gotta have my lip gloss on me. Y'all know I can't go wrong with lip gloss. Like, it's a must. These are the ones that I have. This one is from the beauty supply store, and this one is from Pretty Little Thing. One thing about me, these lips ain't never gonna be ashy. And on them days I don't feel like having super glossy lips, I'm gonna have me a good old chapstick. This one is the Raw Sugar brand. I also buy this in the body wash. It's so good. You guys can check out my hygiene routine video if you haven't checked it out, and I spoke to you guys a little bit more about it. So if you guys want to get it, highly recommend. It's so good. It's so moisturized. Next up, we got our favorite Aquaphor. This healing ointment, y'all, is so good. I have eczema, so when my eczema flares up literally out of nowhere, I literally like apply this right away. You can also use this on your lips as well. It's good for like cracked and irritated skin. Like Aquaphor, literally, you cannot go wrong with Aquaphor. Then I got me a pack of gum because, baby, you know, babe might call me out of class or something, like, come give me a little smooch. Let me stop trolling y'all. I ain't got no bae, okay? But this is my favorite brand though when it comes to the gum. It's her, my favorite. The watermelon one is so good. Cause baby, that school lunch, the calf, whatever it is that you eat, sometimes it don't leave a good, you know, taste in your mouth. That's one. Number two, your breath might be, you know, stinking a little bit. It might not smell the best. So it ain't nothing wrong with chewing on some gum. Let me start trolling y'all. But for our next up we got is this little perfume, because sometimes you just need to spray a little bit, you know, just if you know, you know. We ain't even got to, I ain't even gonna go there with y'all, okay? If you know, you know. This one is from Scentbox. I actually stole this from my mom. I know like Scentbird and Scentbox is pretty popular as far as like these little perfumes. And you can literally like twist this one up like so, which I think is just literally super cool. So you just keep it tucked in here, or you just can turn it. Really, it's totally up to you. And this one smells so freaking good. Like, I love this scent. I wish I had a bigger bottle, but it literally smells so good and it lasts a long time. Okay. Oh, that smells so good. Yes, it smells so good. Next, we got this little Tide. I actually picked this up recently. I'm not gonna lie, I haven't always had this in my emergency kit, but recently I decided to pick it up. So basically with this, it's a little, I guess like a stain remover, I guess, but kind of like a Sharpie. So if you're in class or whatever, you happen to spill, you know, some food on your shirt, on your pants, shorts, whatever during lunchtime, and you do not want to walk around with a dirty shirt or some dirty pants. So this is like a little stain remover. So pretty much like a Sharpie. This is kind of what it looks like, and you just kind of apply it on your clothes and you press as you do it. So like some sort of liquid will come out of it, and it will help remove the stain. This is from Target, by the way. Next up, I have me some band-aids because I'm very clumsy, y'all. So like I'll be hitting myself, scratching myself, so band-aids is always good to keep. I just got 2 band-aids from a pack that I bought, and I have 2 alcohol pads just in case, you know, my scratch is bleeding, or you know, I have a little spot I just want to clean up. So it's really good to keep a band-aid, some alcohol pads, because you just never know. Then of course, y'all, we can't forget about hand sanitizer, y'all. It be germs everywhere, no matter where you go, what you touch, it's germs. So I picked up this little small sanitizer from Target actually just now, and we're gonna keep this in our little emergency kit because hand sanitizer you just always gotta have. Honestly, I prefer getting the ones that are not scented, only because I feel like the scented ones just have so much, like they focus so much on making it smell good that they're not actually focusing on making sure that you get rid of them germs. I'm just gonna stick to my little regular schmegular one. No shade to the girlies that get the ones that smell super good, but baby, I'm gonna stick to my regular. And if you're like me, you like to wear black, and it's literally freaking listen, okay, just know it's a lint roller, because you just need this. I love wearing black. This right here becoming so clutch. Like I love these. I have a big one, but I'm glad I actually found a small one at Target in the travel section, because I can keep this in my emergency kit. So when I'm on the go, something touch me, whatever the case may be, I just gotta, and I'm good to go. I'm Gucci. And for my girlies with the thick thighs, we all know that thick thighs save lives. Be them thick thighs be chafing real bad. I picked up this chafing balm. It's called Thigh Rescue, but baby, yeah, I'm hoping it comes to the rescue when it's needed. But this is what it looks like. I got it from Target. It stops the chafing. For me personally, I have never used this brand, so I'm excited to use it to see how it works. But I've used like other chafing gels, but just not this one. But I'm glad that this one comes in like this little deodorant type of form, like a balm, so I can just kind of like, you know, just use it in between them thighs, because that's one thing I hate, especially when you wear shorts or skirts. Then thighs, they just be rubbing against each other and it don't feel good. Of course, we can't forget lotion, because y'all know sometimes we run out the house all ashy. Me personally, I be forgetting to put lotion on. I'm not even gonna sit here and lie to y'all. I forget sometimes. I just be lazy and just run out the house, and I look at my feet in the class and I'm like, oh hell no. So of course picked up some Vaseline, some lotion. It says intensive care, so we love that because I have sensitive skin. I figured out recently that I have eczema, so I've been trying to really, like, you know, stay on top of that. My eczemas do kind of flare up sometimes. I'm not sure if you guys can kind of see those little dark spots, but that's actually it kind of flaring up. It's been actually doing better because I've been putting Aquaphor on it, but it's been getting like really bad recently. And mind you, I literally recently found out I have eczema. I literally never knew this whole time. My 19 years of living, I literally never freaking knew. This is really embarrassing right now, but it's literally the truth. Okay, you guys are familiar with eczema, and you guys, you know anything that's good for that, help a girl out, so please comment down below and let me know, because baby, I need something that's gonna come to the rescue. You know, it's helping, but it's really not going all the way. I used to have one on my stomach, but it's actually gotten better. I'm glad about that, but this one is really like being super stubborn. So if you guys have any advice on what I should use, comment. Okay, the very last thing in our emergency kit is of course some makeup remover. Sometimes I wear makeup to class, sometimes I don't, but you know, it's always good to keep these in your bag because you can also use these as wipes as well. This is the brand that I use in makeup remover. It's the brand Neutrogena. This brand is super good because the wipes are like pretty large and they really wipe your face super good. It even removes like waterproof mascara. Like, it's so good. I love these wipes. I have like so many packs. I literally buy them in bulk, but I'm glad I found this little pack, this little small one at Target, because it's going in my emergency kit. Like, makeup wipes is a must. Sometimes you just gotta wipe the makeup off. It would just be too hot sometimes. So I know I got for sure everything that I'm gonna need in like my essentials for my emergency kit. I think I'm pretty much all set. But if you guys have anything that you guys suggest that I should add, or anything that you guys feel like I forgot, make sure you comment down below and share with your girl, because you know, maybe I forgot something. Y'all want to put me on, which I got in y'all emergency kit. So feel free to do so. Comment down below whatever it is, because a trip to Target ain't gonna hurt nothing. Okay, comment down below if you guys have anything that that's different from mine, let me know what I should add, if there's anything I should add. Well, that pretty much concludes our video today, you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Of course, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to see more of me and some more back to school content. Don't forget, y'all, I got the playlist down below in my description box for y'all, so make sure you guys go and check it out. I have the videos from last year and this year and a year before that when I was freshman. All that is in there. I'm getting tired. It's time for me to go. I'll see you guys on Friday. This video goes up on Monday, so I'll see y'all on Friday for the next back to school video. Stay tuned for what it's gonna be. Besides everything that I've been posting recently, let me know what other videos you guys want to see for like back to school content. Feel free to comment or just DM me on Instagram, whatever it is. But thank you guys so much for watching. I love y'all. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye y'all. Peace.